Remember 2008 or 2020? Massive financial crises, right? The Federal Reserve floods the market with money, interest rates go to zero, and the US dollar becomes the ultimate safe haven. What if I told you the US government wants another one of those, and they're actively trying to manufacture it? This isn't just about a government shutdown or hidden data. It's about a grand, audacious strategy to solve America's debt problems at the world's expense. Think about it. Slow toothpaste. Squeezing rate cuts aren't working for the US economy. What they really need is a swift, violent cut to zero like during those crises. But how do you justify that without making capital flee the dollar, create a global financial crisis, make the world suffer worse than the US? Then, capital has nowhere else to go but into the safety of the dollar. This way, the US government gets cheap money, prevents capital outflows, and doesn't even have to pay interest on its massive debt. So, what's the play? Tariffs? During the recent shutdown, with inflation data conveniently gone as we discussed in another video, the US government starts playing hardball with China. First, they impose 5 times more expensive docking fees on Chinese ships. Remember, 70% of the world's merchant ships are made in China. This strangles global trade and raises prices everywhere. China retaliates, of course. Increased control over rare earths, the essential metals for semiconductors, military tech, and especially AI. If China cuts off rare earths, the global AI bubble, especially in the US, could burst. Boom, a global economic shockwave. Then, the ultimate move. A public announcement of 100% tariffs on China. What happens? Global stock markets plummet. Someone who shorted the market before this news broke makes hundreds of millions. Is this just a coincidence? Or is it a carefully orchestrated sequence? The goal isn't just to punish China, it's to create the conditions for a global financial crisis. A crisis that forces the Fed's hand, allows them to cut rates to zero, and makes global capital surge into dollar assets. It's a wealth reshuffle on an epic scale, driven by design. If countries are willing to instigate global financial chaos to solve their own economic problems, how do you protect your savings from becoming collateral damage? What's your escape plan when the world economy is deliberately sent into a tailspin? Follow us or subscribe to this channel